Hey fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to Diet and Exercise with another power-packed video. Today we're diving deep into the ultimate ab workout routine that's going to transform your core strength and give you those washboard abs you've been dreaming of. I've spent years perfecting this routine, and I can confidently say that this is the only ab workout you'll ever need. We'll cover 7 game-changing exercises that target every part of your core, from the upper abs to the lower abs, and those stubborn obliques. But before we jump in, remember that abs are made in the kitchen as much as in the gym. This workout, combined with proper nutrition, will give you incredible results in just 30 days. Let's crush this together and build that core you've always wanted. The hollow hold, foundation of core strength. The hollow hold is the cornerstone of gymnastic strength training and the perfect starting point for our ultimate ab workout. Begin by lying on your back with your arms extended overhead. Lift your shoulders off the ground while simultaneously raising your legs, creating a dish-like position with your body. Your lower back should be pressed firmly against the floor. This is crucial for proper form. The magic of the hollow hold lies in its ability to activate your entire core as a unit. When performing this exercise, you're not just working your superficial abs, you're engaging your deep core muscles, including the transverse abdominis. These muscles are essential for maintaining good posture and protecting your spine during daily activities. The best part? After a month of consistent practice, you'll notice improved posture, better balance, and a visible tightening of your entire midsection. Start with 20-second holds and gradually work your way up to 60 seconds. The key is maintaining proper form throughout the hold. Quality over quantity. Many beginners make the mistake of arching their back, but keeping it flat against the ground ensures maximum core engagement and prevents lower back strain. Dragon flag. Advanced core control. The dragon flag, popularized by Bruce Lee, is an advanced movement that will revolutionize your core training. Start by lying on a bench, gripping behind your head for support. Roll your body up until only your upper back touches the bench, forming a straight line from your shoulders to your toes. The real challenge comes in maintaining this position and lowering yourself with control. This exercise primarily targets your entire anterior core, but it also engages your lats, chest, and hip flexors for total upper body coordination. The dragon flag is particularly effective at developing that coveted V-line appearance at the bottom of your abs. After a month of practice, you'll notice significantly improved core strength and muscle definition, especially in your lower abs. What makes this exercise so effective is the constant tension it places on your core throughout the entire movement. Unlike traditional crunches, the dragon flag forces your abs to work against gravity in a way that builds both strength and stability. Start with negative reps before attempting the full movement. Copenhagen plank, oblique intensity. The Copenhagen plank is an underutilized exercise that specifically targets your obliques and lateral core strength. Position yourself sideways with your forearms on the ground and your top leg resting on a bench or elevated surface. Your bottom leg should hover off the ground, creating intense side body tension. This position challenges your obliques in a unique way that traditional side planks can't match. The Copenhagen plank not only builds stronger obliques, but also improves hip stability and addresses potential muscle imbalances between your left and right sides. Dead bug progressions. Core stability master. The dead bug exercise might look simple, but it's one of the most effective movements for developing core stability and coordination. Begin lying on your back with your arms extended toward the ceiling and your legs in a tabletop position. Slowly lower your opposite arm and leg while maintaining a flat back against the floor. The movement pattern challenges your core's ability to resist extension and rotation, making it invaluable for building functional strength. The beauty of dead bugs lies in their scalability. You can make them easier or harder by adjusting the lever length of your limbs or adding resistance. After a month of regular practice, you'll notice improved coordination between your upper and lower body, better breathing patterns during exercise, and enhanced core control. The dead bug also helps reprogram dysfunctional movement patterns that might be causing back pain or postural issues. Focus on maintaining constant tension in your core throughout the movement and ensure your lower back stays pressed against the floor. L-sit progression, total core power. The L-sit is a gymnastic movement that develops extraordinary core strength and body control. Start by sitting with your hands pressed into the ground beside your hips. Press down through your hands to lift your entire body off the ground, keeping your legs straight and parallel to the floor. This position engages every muscle in your core while also working your hip flexors, quadriceps, and shoulders. The L-sit is particularly effective at developing the muscle connection needed for advanced ab exercises and improving overall body awareness. Ab wheel rollout, core anti-extensions. The ab wheel workout is arguably one of the most challenging and effective exercises for building core strength and stability. Starting on your knees, grip the ab wheel and slowly roll forward, extending your arms while keeping your core tight and back straight. This movement primarily trains anti-extension strength, forcing your core to resist the natural tendency to arch your back as you roll out. The ab wheel uniquely targets your entire core region, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and deep stabilizing muscles. After a month of consistent practice, you'll notice improved core control, better posture, and increased definition throughout the midsection. The exercise also builds impressive shoulder stability and upper body strength. What sets the ab wheel apart is its ability to create a long lever arm that challenges your core in a way that few other exercises can match. Start with partial rollouts and gradually increase your range of motion as you build strength and control. Modified Russian twists, rotational power. The modified Russian twist is a dynamic exercise that targets your obliques and rotational core strength. Sit with your feet planted and lean back slightly, holding a weight or medicine ball at chest height. Rotate your torso from side to side while maintaining a tall spine and engaged core. This variation allows for better form control than the traditional feet-up version while still providing intense oblique engagement. The exercise is particularly effective at developing the rotational power needed for sports and daily activities. After 4 weeks of regular practice, you'll notice improved waist definition and enhanced ability to generate rotational force in athletic movements. What makes this exercise special is its ability to train both the internal and external obliques through a full range of motion. The modified version also reduces the risk of lower back strain while maintaining the exercise's effectiveness. Focus on rotating from your core rather than simply moving your arms, and maintain constant tension throughout the movement. And there you have it, fitness warriors, the ultimate ab workout that will transform your core strength and physique. Remember, consistency is key with these exercises. Perform this routine 3 to 4 times per week, allowing adequate rest between sessions for optimal results. Over the next 30 days, you'll notice tremendous improvements in your core strength, posture, and overall athletic performance. Don't forget to combine this workout with proper nutrition and adequate rest for the best results. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more fitness content. Drop a comment below telling me which exercise you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing your limits.